I'll show you how to clean pewter. This is a piece of Tiffany pewter that I found at the thrift store for a couple bucks. No matter what you use to try to clean it, this had lemons in it, so it's really tarnished extremely bad. We'll add some toothpaste, it's got abrasives in it, and just work it in. When nothing else will remove tarnish, start with toothpaste. We may need to go more aggressive, but we'll start here. It's helping, but we're gonna need to go a little more aggressive. The inside of this is supposed to be shiny like a mirror. We'll use a cotton buffing pad that'll fit inside. We'll put this on a drill, add some polishing compound, then give it a buff. You can see the tarnish is starting to come off now. You can see it's working, but the main thing is don't put lemons in your pewter. The acid in the lemons is really tough on it. You can see and feel that it just damaged the surface. I use some Scotch-Brite, but this is definitely going to put in scratches. It's putting scratches in, but it's removing the tarnish. When I bought this, it had an engraving, so now would be a good time to remove it, so it's just a clean bowl. Just the lemons and the Scotch-Brite have already removed some of the lines. You can see those pits are in there pretty deep from the acid from the lemons. We'll need to use some sandpaper. We'll start with 400 grit, go to 3,000. Remove all the scratches with the 400. Cut down quite a distance. You can see all the pitting is gone, but we have taken it down a lot. If you look close, you can see just a little bit more of that logo, so we'll just keep sanding. Once we get these lines out, it's going to take a lot of sanding to get these 400 grit sand marks out of it. Now everything's flat and clean, we'll remove the 400 marks. Go in with some 600 grit. Now it's starting to clean up. Now we'll use some 800. Now 1200, 2000, 3000. Now it's looking pretty clean. We'll start to buff it. Now we'll use a little bit of toothpaste. We'll get all the polish removed out of there. Now it's looking nice and clean. That's how you can restore a piece of Tiffany and Company pewter.